Buongiorno, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to the first video out of the series. Describe the methodology that was developed during years of practice and is used by the QA team and is recommended to use in agile teams. It will be a short video where you as a leading QA engineer on the project are supposed to get the approach and be able to start using it or help improve your current approach if you have one, of course. So today we are going to talk about the documentation. The main point, you need only the documentation, you know how you will use and what for you will use. By that I mean that you have the name, you have to name what will be the benefits of the past artifacts and documentation artifacts existence towards your current goals and the potential future goals within your current product QA strategy. That's crucial because each piece of documentation takes not only time to be created, but also a time to be maintained. Of course, the longer you use it, the more expensive it becomes. And same logic applies to the amount of artifacts, because the more artifacts, even more time expenses. So, don't create documentation just because, or just no matter, I will find out what I will use it for later. That's not going to work. Same goes for the project documentation as well, because when everything is documented in detail, that's great, absolutely great, and it's much more easier to work with, but it also could do much more harm if not maintained correctly. And since you'll have some expectations about the problems fixing capacity of it, it would be absolutely not great to find out that the analytics data and requirements you used in your work were actually defective. So, to sum up, your plan is first decide the goal, and the goal, I mean the problem the documentation will fix. Then decide what the requirements are for those documentation, and then start creating them. So that's it for today. Have fun and have your work done.